Okay, so now what I'd like to show you with Elementor is how easy it is to use the template features in Elementor. So one of the cool things about this is that lots of times when you're building a website, many of the elements in the page will be recurring. Um, so it's important to have standardization in the design. And then there may be variations on certain pages like a shopping cart or a survey or something like that. So lots of times what you'll want to do is be able to take elements and reuse them. And Elementor does a really good job with this. And I can build sections and then save them as templates and then insert them into other pages. So that's what I want to show you now. So we're going to go to our Elementor website, and here is what we've been working on so far. And let's say that I want to reuse this large header here. I want to have this repeat on every page. I can come up and I go to the little edit section button, the little grid, I right click, I choose save as template. I give it a name. And then I click save. And now what I've done is I've created an element that I can reuse and repeat on other pages. I'm going to close that. Let's do the section at the top of the page as well. I'm going to right click. I'm going to choose save as template. I'm going to give it a name. And save that. So now let's see how easy it is to use those templates on another page. I'm going to close this and I'm going to get out of Elementor. So I click the pancake, I go exit to dashboard. Now I'm in my traditional WordPress environment. This is the home page. All the content's locked inside of Elementor. What I want to do is make a new page. I'm going to go over, click add new. I'll give the page a name, new page. And I'm going to click edit with Elementor. And I want to click on the add template button, a little folder button. We already talked about blocks and pages. In this case, I'm using my own template. So I'm going to go to my templates. I'm going to choose the template that I created. Click insert. Now, when I insert the template, there's two options. If I'm inserting a template and I want it to be in line, inside of content, I can say no. If there's already content on the page, if it's the first time, I can say yes, which will override all the other settings on the page. There's our element. Now, we need to change some of the settings here to match the settings on the other page. I go down, click the gear, I go to page layout, I'm going to choose Elementor full width, and now it's going to match the page design that we already had set up. Now let's insert that other element. I'm going to go to the add template button again, select the other element, click insert. This time I'm going to say no, I don't need to override any of the previous settings. There it is, it's underneath it, but I can click on it, grab that edit section button, drag it, and drop it into place. So as you can see, it's very easy to create templated elements using Elementor and then reuse them on other pages. And this can speed up the page design significantly. And let's stop there. Thank you.